रजस्तमश्च विभूय सत्त्वं भवति भारत रजः सत्त्वं तमश्चैव तमः सत्त्वं रजस्तथा। Hare Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is a special day because today I will be sharing my favorite shlok from Bhagavad Gita. And I started my journey with Bhagavad Gita last year, and I will make another video of the whole journey with Bhagavad Gita, but today I just thought that I will start with the one that hit me the most, and I will read it from the laptop. So it goes like Rajastamascha vibhuya sattvam bhavati bharata rajaha sattvam tamaschaiva tamaha sattvam rajastatha. So it means that Krishna is saying to Arjuna, sometimes goodness prevails over passion and ignorance. Sometimes passion dominates over goodness and ignorance, and other times ignorance overcomes goodness and passion. So in simple words, he is saying that sometimes sattva takes over the ignorance and passion, which is ignorance is tamas and passion is rajas. So sometimes sattva is dominating and these two are not active in our life. Sometimes rajas is active and then tamas and sattva is not active. And there are times when tamas is active, and those times rajas and sattva are not active, they are not dominating. So these are the three modes of material nature. These are the three gunas which are always active in our life. Like our life is actually revolving around these three gunas, sattva, tamas and rajas. Sattva is the mode of goodness where you are, in mode of goodness, you are doing charity, you are being selfless. All these, I will read or not? Yeah, so like mode of goodness is when there's more selflessness, there's more charity, there's no passion involved in our life. Everything is about, oneness and being one, and there's no like me. The me is not active in sattva gun. Rajas is when you are very passionate, when you are, you are jealous, you want to be successful, you want to be successful than others. So that is the mode of passion which we young people are, a lot of times, like, because right now we have to work, so we are mostly in mode of passion, that is rajas. And then tamas is the mode of ignorance, where ignorance takes over you, so you become lazy, you become angry, you become negative, and like anything you do is not really productive or anything like that. So in our life, we don't have to stress so much on, what is going on, what is not going on, what will happen, what will not happen. Just see that which mode is active right now. Are you in sattva mode? Are you in tamas mode? Are you in rajas mode? And see how you want to balance these three. Like there are times when we are also lazy, there are times when we are also passionate, there are times when we are also good. Don't let tamas dominate ever. Like tamas domination is really bad for us, for our health. But we can still manage rajas and sattva. Like the highest goal is to transcend these three modes, but that is later stage. This is one of my favorite shloks from Bhagavad Gita, and let me know if you enjoyed the video, and I will share more from my journey.